everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name's Michelle, and for today's video, I wanted to show you how you can check the price of designer pieces in Europe. So I hope you find this video helpful just in case you're going to Europe sometime soon, or maybe you're just curious. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So I'll be going over designers like Louis Vuitton, Dior, Celine, Bottega Veneta, Prada, and also Gucci. But you can apply this to pretty much almost any designer if you just follow the method that I'll be showing you today. So let's start off with Louis Vuitton, and I am obsessed with the loop bag. Here we can see the price of this bag retails for $23.70 USD in the United States. So what we're going to go ahead and do is scroll all the way to the bottom of the website until we see United States. When we see this, we're going to click that, and we are going to choose a country in Europe. So I like to choose Finland because the website will be in English. And from here, what we can do is just look up the loop bag. And here now we can see that the price of the loop bag in euros is $18.50. And Louis Vuitton is one of the places in Europe, or one of the designers in Europe where you can save a lot of money. And this is also before the VAT refund. So if you have a United States passport, you are eligible for more of a refund. So you'll be saving so much more money on top of this price. So next, let's do Dior. Here we have the large Dior book tote, and it retails for $3,500. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website as well until it says country/region. We're going to click United States, and from the drop down, we're going to click Finland again because the website will be in English. And now we can see the price of this handbag is 2,800 euros. That is quite a bit of savings that you can get from Dior. Let's move on to the next brand. Next, let's do Celine. So here we have the Teen Triomphe bag in shiny calfskin. It retails for $36.50, and I really just love this bag. We will scroll all the way to the bottom as well, and here you can see United States. We're going to click that, and we are going to click Europe, Finland, change the location. And once it's done loading, now you can see the price of this handbag is 2,800 euros. That is a lot of savings that you can get, and don't forget the VAT refund. So you'll be saving even more money buying this bag in Europe. Celine is one of the only designer brands that I saw offered a Hawaii pricing site. So here, if we go to the bottom, we can click Finland again. Let's go to North America and click on Hawaii. If you didn't know, Hawaii is considered a special pricing zone. So aside from like the mainland, Hawaii does offer like a special discount, usually around 10 to 15% on some designer brands there. Why won't it load? What's going on? Okay, so I guess this happened. Let me try seeing if it's available after I'm done showing you guys some of the other websites. Okay, so next we have Bottega Veneta, and here we have the mini Jodi. What we're going to do again, of course, we have to scroll all the way to the bottom. Here where it says United States, let's go ahead and click that. We're going to click Finland, and rather than the mini Jodi being $26.50, now we have the price of it being 2,100 euros. Again, this is before the VAT refund, so yeah, you're saving quite a few $100s on Bottega Veneta. Next, let's do Prada. Here, I don't have a handbag, but I have some loafers. I am obsessed with these loafers. These are the chocolate brushed leather loafers, and in the United States, they retail for $1,200 USD. We're going to do the same method, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here it is. We're going to click this shipping to, click this. We're going to choose the European country, Finland again, press confirm, and now we can see that the price of these loafers is 920 euros. If you're shopping designer, highly recommended to buy whatever you're looking for in Europe. Last but not least, we have the Jackie 1961 small shoulder bag from Gucci. I actually haven't tried this website out yet, so let's try it out together. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, here we have store locator. And no, this is not what I was looking for. Let's go back. Oh, I see it. Here at the top we have United States, and here, oh, here, change country, and now we can see the different locations. So here, let's choose Finland again, and find the Jackie again. And rather than the Jackie being $29.50, here we have it for 2,500 euros. And unfortunately, the Celine website is deciding to be down as I'm trying to show you guys how much money you can save in Hawaii. But yeah, Celine is one of the only designer brands that I saw that offered a website for Hawaii pricing. So if you're thinking about buying something from Celine in Hawaii, there is a website you guys can look at to see what the Hawaii price is over there. And yeah, let me know if you found this video helpful in the comments, and if you are going to check the price of something in Europe, I'd love to know what you are shopping for. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!